Prepare to unlock a new era of iPod video creation with the latest advancements in Sora. Today, we're diving deep into the enhanced features and brand new tools that make the updated Sora platform a game-changer for creators. First up, let's explore the expanded creative control. You'll notice a more intuitive interface, including robust aspect ratio options, select from cinematic widescreen, standard formats, or even vertical video for social media, allowing you to tailor your output perfectly for any platform. The core of Sora's power lies in its generation quality, and the latest version takes a giant leap forward. Observe the subtle enhancements in motion blur and lighting realism. Scenes now possess an unparalleled depth and atmosphere, making your generated videos incredibly lifelike. Beyond individual frames, temporal consistency has been significantly refined. This means smoother, more coherent storytelling across longer generated sequences. Watch how objects maintain their form and movement seamlessly from one moment to the next, reducing jarring artifacts and enhancing narrative flow. Innovation continues with the introduction of more sophisticated scene generation capabilities. Creating complex environments with multiple interacting elements is now more achievable than ever. Simply describe your vision, and Sora can interpret and render intricate details, from bustling crowds to dynamic weather effects. Furthermore, prompt understanding has seen a remarkable upgrade. The platform is now more adept at interpreting nuanced and detailed textual descriptions, allowing you to get closer to your desired outcome with greater precision. Experiment with more specific keywords and descriptive phrases to discover the full extent of its enhanced comprehension. This update empowers you to push the boundaries of your creativity, offering enhanced tools for improved video generation techniques, from subtle character expressions to grand environmental landscapes. Sora's latest iteration is designed to help you realize your most ambitious visual ideas with greater ease and fidelity. Start exploring these new features today and witness the future of AI video generation unfold before your eyes. New Sora AI tutorial.